Value investing is a time-honored approach to building wealth in the stock market. And over the decades, a handful of books have emerged as essential reading for anyone looking to master the art. Let's explore 5 classic books of value investing that everyone should read, each offering unique insights and time-tested strategies. First, we begin with The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Originally published in 1949, this book is often hailed as the Bible of value investing. Graham, known as the father of value investing, introduces readers to the concept of margin of safety, the idea that investors should buy securities at a price significantly below their intrinsic value to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Throughout the book, Graham emphasizes disciplined investing, patience, and the importance of emotional control. He warns against speculation and market hype, urging readers to focus on the underlying value of a business, rather than price movements. The Intelligent Investor also introduces the difference between defensive and enterprising investors, making it accessible for both beginners and those looking to take a more active approach. Warren Buffett, one of Graham's most famous students, often credits this book as the foundation of his investing philosophy. The second book on the list is Security Analysis, co-authored by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd. First published in 1934, this comprehensive work dives much deeper into the techniques and tools of analyzing securities. While The Intelligent Investor provides the philosophical framework, Security Analysis is the nuts and bolts manual. Graham and Dodd teach readers how to examine financial statements, evaluate company assets, and estimate a business's intrinsic worth. The book is more technical and best suited for those who want to become serious students of investing. The emphasis on rigorous analysis and skepticism of Wall Street's short-term focus remains as relevant today as it was nearly a century ago. Third, we have Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip A. Fisher. While Graham's approach is rooted in numbers and balance sheets, Fisher's focus is on the qualitative aspects of investing. He introduces the concept of scuttlebutt, the idea that investors should gather information about a company from suppliers, customers, and competitors to gain a deeper understanding of its prospects. Fisher outlines 15 points to look for in a stock, including the quality of management, research and development, and the company's ability to scale. This book teaches readers that great investments are often found in companies with strong growth potential and capable leadership, not just in those trading below book value. The blend of qualitative analysis with classic value investing principles makes this book a must-read. Fourth on the list is You Can Be a Stock Market Genius by Joel Greenblatt. Despite its playful title, this book offers a treasure trove of practical strategies for individual investors. Greenblatt demystifies special situations in the stock market, such as spin-offs, restructurings, mergers, and other corporate events that can create significant opportunities for outsized returns. He explains how to identify and capitalize on these hidden gems, often overlooked by larger institutional investors. The book's conversational tone and real-world examples make complex concepts accessible, encouraging readers to seek opportunities beyond the obvious picks. Finally, The Little Book That Beats the Market, also by Joel Greenblatt, simplifies value investing into a straightforward, rules-based approach. Greenblatt introduces his magic formula for identifying undervalued companies with high returns on capital. The book walks readers through the process step by step, making it an excellent starting point for beginners. By combining value and quality, Greenblatt demonstrates that disciplined, systematic investing can outperform the market over time. In summary, these 5 classics, The Intelligent Investor, Security Analysis, Common Stocks, and Uncommon Profits, You Can Be a Stock Market Genius, and The Little Book That Beats the Market, offer timeless wisdom for investors at every stage. Each book provides a different perspective on value investing, from foundational principles to advanced strategies. By reading and applying the lessons from these works, anyone can develop the mindset and tools needed to succeed as a value investor.